Chef Bridget here with Fresh from Florida. If you're like me these days, you're looking to get all the fruits and vegetables into your diet that you can, and the recipe that I found on followfreshfromflorida.com is full of these beautiful Florida vegetables that I found at the grocery store. We have eggplant and tomatoes and squash and sweet bell peppers. It's so full of vitamin C, these are. So the recipe calls for me to roast this in the oven, but I'm gonna do it on top of the stove today because that's just how easy and user-friendly our recipes are. We want you to go online and download as many as you want and get cooking. If you have any questions, please let us know. Follow us on our social media sites, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and we'll answer as many questions as you have. But yeah, I'll come back and show you the finished dish, and I'll probably serve it over rice or maybe by itself, I'm not sure. But happy cooking. Hey guys, I have the finished product here, Florida Ratatouille. It's chock full of eggplant and squash, zucchini, fresh tomatoes, onions. I'm gonna serve this over some brown rice a little bit later on. If you wanted to add some protein in the way of chicken or fish or beef, feel free to do that. It'd be absolutely delicious. So go on followfreshfromflorida.com and we hope you find the perfect recipe to serve you and your family tonight. If you have any questions, let us know on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that we can. More importantly, we want you to know that Florida produce is just as safe to buy today as it was a month ago. And if you have any questions, just let us know. Happy cooking.